Hey everyone, if Excalidraw isn't working properly in your browser, features are missing, drawings won't load, tools are unresponsive, or you're seeing compatibility-related errors, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw browser compatibility issues in 2026. First, make sure you're using a supported browser. Excalidraw works best with modern browsers such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari that receive regular updates and support the latest web technologies. Next, update your browser to the latest version. Outdated browsers often lack important features and security updates required for modern web applications to function correctly. Another common fix is refreshing the page after updating your browser. This ensures that Excalidraw loads the newest resources and settings. You should also clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated browser data can cause loading issues, display problems, and unexpected behavior. Another helpful step is opening Excalidraw in an incognito or private browsing window. This can help determine whether browser extensions or stored data are causing the problem. If Excalidraw works correctly in private mode, temporarily disable browser extensions one by one. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and productivity extensions can sometimes interfere with application functionality. You should also verify that JavaScript is enabled in your browser. Excalidraw relies heavily on JavaScript for rendering, editing, and collaboration features, and that's how to fix Excalidraw browser compatibility issues in 2026. In most cases, updating your browser, clearing cached data, adjusting browser settings, and disabling conflicting extensions will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.